today we have started a new chapter. The chapter name is decimals. So what is meant by decimals? Decimals means a fraction whose denominator is a 10 or power of 10 is called decimals. So what does it mean? Decimals is a fraction. Fraction means it has numerator, denominator. So some number that it will be in the numerator and some will be in the denominator. So decimals means in numerator what number it will be, that is not specified, but what will be there in the denominator, that is specified. It is specified as that the denominator will be 10 or power of 10. Okay, so that is, then it is called as a denominator. So if any number it is written, some number, suppose 25, 257 257 is given, but denominator it is given 10 cube, then this number is called as a what? Decimal number. Okay. So now see one number, suppose it is given 7 by 10. So 7 by 10 means, if denominator, how many zeros are there here? 1 0. That means the decimal number will be of one decimal number, 0.7. Okay, so this dot is called as the decimal point. The dot is called as a decimal point. Again, you take, suppose if it is given like this, 31 by 100, suppose given, how many zeros? 2 0. That means it will be up to 2 decimal places. So 0.3112, 2 decimal places. Okay, suppose if it is given like this, 23 by 10, how many 0? 1 0. That means it will be in the 1 decimal place. That means 2.3 it will be. 2.3. Now see, this is your decimal point. So this number before the decimal point, this part is called as a whole number part. And after decimal, whatever numbers are there, this all together after decimal, it is called as a decimal part. See here 1.3. So 1 is your decimal whole number part, 3 is your decimal part. Okay, one important thing is that decimal number, suppose any decimal number it is given, suppose 0.2025 it is given, so if someone has written 0.250, both are same or different? Both are same. Why? Because after decimal, if you put here like this thousands of zero, then also these two values are same, because after decimal point, in the decimal part, if you add 0, irrespective of how many zeros you have added or not added, it means the same value only. Okay, so see here one point I've written, the decimal part, in decimal part, adding 0 at the end does not change the value of the decimal. So that means in decimal part, suppose 0.25, suppose it is given like this, 25.670, 25.670 it is given. Someone has written, after calculating, someone has got like this, 27.67. so which one is greater, which one is smaller? Both are same, equal. Why? Because 670 here also you can put 0, or if you remove the 0, then these two will be same. Why I'm telling? Because after decimal point, in the decimal part, at the end at the, this is the end, na? So at the end, if you add 0, it does not change the value of the decimal. Okay, so this one you have to remember. Now addition and subtraction. Addition in previously in class lower class you have got addition of 2 3 digits together. Suppose it is given like this: 575 43 2913. Addition is asked. So how will you do addition? At that time you will write first 575 and 43 na. So below this ones digit you will write the one digits, unit digits, and below this 7 you will write the 10 place, because 7 is in the 10 place na. Like this you will add. And 2913 2913 and 2913. So this one how will you add? So first of all you will write the unit place, then 10 place, then 100 place, then 1000 place. Like this you will write, and after that you will all values you will add. Like 5 plus 3 plus 3, like this you will add now. So here also it is same. The difference is that here the numbers are what number? They are not integer number, they are what number? Decimal number. That means point is there. So at that time what you have to do, suppose first number is given 5.75, you write 5.75. After that what is given? 4.3. So first you give the point here, after that you write here 4, then 3, then 2.913. So first you give the point, 2 will be there, after that 9, below 3 it will be 9, below 5 it will be 1, and then after 1 3 is there, at last it will be 3. Now after decimal 0 has no value, so I can put right here 0, so that it all the numbers will be 3 decimal places. I have written here 0. Again above 1 nothing is there, so nothing is there means you can write 0, because if you put the 0 it will make no change. So for better convenient I have given the 0. So now 0 plus 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. 5 plus 1 4. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 9 19. Carry 1. Okay. Now 5 plus 1 6. Sorry. Now 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 3 12. Decimal as it is, decimal point will be there. Come here. So 12.963 is the addition answer. Okay. Now subtraction of decimal number. Subtract this digit from 0.045. You have to subtract this one from this one. So first of all, as it is, first you write that number from which you subtract. From 0.045 you will subtract that number. What is that number? 0.0. So decimal point will be the, where the first decimal point is there, there only the second decimal point will be there. Okay. So below this decimal point you keep decimal point. After that what is that? 0.0, below 4 0, below 5 9, then again one digit is there 3. So here you can put 0. So now you subtract. Okay. So this one I'm 0.0450, 0.0093. Okay. Now see how to subtract. Here 0 is there, 3 is there, that means you have to take one carry. If you take one carry then it will be 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. So this 1 you have taken here, that 1 will come to the below, then 9 plus 1 10. So 5 minus 0 is how much? So it is given 0.0450, 0.0093. Okay. So 0 and 3. So this one is bigger, so you have to take one carry. If you take one carry, 10. 10 minus 3 is how much? 10 minus 3 is 7. So now this 1 you have taken, that 1 will come to the denominator below, so that means 9 plus 1 10. So 5 minus 10, sorry, 5 minus 0, that means it is how much? 5 minus 0 means 5. That carry 10, 1 is there now, that 1 will come here, it will be added here, that means it will be how much? 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Now 0 minus 0, 0, 0. So this will be your answer after subtraction, 0.0357. Okay, so with this, let's start this exercise. So exercise 3a, add. So add, addition you can do by yourself, it's easy only. Just you have to write all the numbers below the decimal point according to the decimal point, like this you have to write. So addition you can do by yourself. Subtraction one I'm doing this one already in examples I have done. So now 4 number I'll do. Subtract 0.376 from 1. So 1.00. First you write 1 only, because 1 given 1. After that 0.376, but see the previous number 0, the decimal point is not there, that means I have to make the decimal. So can I write 1.0? Yes, 1.01 is same only. Now your the number subtracted number is 0.376. So 0.376. So here I can keep the 0. Now subtraction from 10, 6 remove, then it will be 4. That 1 will come here, it will become 8. So again you take 1 carry from 10, 8 if it's gone, then it will be 2. Then again this 1 will come here, then it will be how much? 3 plus 1, 4. Then again 1 carry, 10 minus 4 is 6. That is 0.627.